Last night shooting here on Menorca, and Kim is going to stand on an elephant rock tonight. Okay, the plan for tonight is to do a giant sunset under that elephant right over there.
And the sun is coming out, which is actually...
So we use the Photopills app to know exactly where the sun is going to set. It looks perfect. My camera is ready. Everyone is ready, I think, but we still have 1 hour. So we're going to check out the location spot for the light painting. It's going to happen right after.
Okay, I just got distracted by some crabs. I was doing some location scouting. So it's really slippery. That would be super dangerous, and especially for Eric, who has to run back and forth. I'm gonna try to go there. Not gonna work. I think the easiest spot for the participants, well, this area. Like, you have plenty of space.
Wow, okay, no, that's great.
And you are actually lower.
What is that thing?
It was on that rock when I came. It was right next to the other one.
If you don't see clear, that it's too risky, don't do it, please.
Yeah,
It's better to be safe.
Yeah, it's not worth it. But... Hey, buddy.
She's going to try just a little bit to go up. In fact, going up is okay, going down looks super dangerous, so I really don't want her to get hurt.
She's up there.
Oh, is it looking like on the ground? Like, can you jump? Can you do some handstands or something?
Jump, handstand?
I can do yoga for sure.
What?
I can't really jump. It's really
Sharp?
for handstand-wise, I wouldn't do it here because it's a bit dangerous, I think.
Okay, no problem. You're looking super good from my monitor.
On the elephant, yeah.
Okay, as opposed to focusing on, okay.
Okay, so you can do something fast, and then we'll do a couple of pictures. Wow! Oh la la! We all realize that this is a special moment. Things are going great. The last minute.
The color seems great now.
Oh.
Yeah?
Okay, that's it for now. Let's go down. Start to be prepared for the light painting. Coming with me. It's a fun day. Especially that we learned that we can sleep tomorrow. We've been going to bed at 4 a.m. the whole week. There won't be any light painting tomorrow morning. We're going to sleep.
Both ways.
Yeah.
Yeah, you worked way harder.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's heavy.
Are you guys happy?
Yes.
Oh, you guys are great. So it's the last day, and what we're doing is cruise around the island. We have a few stops. So far, no one is drunk, so it's going well.
Is this thing on?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi! Welcome to Photopills!
I'm Albert, landscape photographer.
Well, I'm Ian. We just had an awesome time at the camp. Like, everybody here has been amazing. Just seeing all of the light painting stuff is just like super awesome.
Hello, I'm Karma. I'm so tired this week.
Hello! I'm the animal of Photopills. Yes!
I am Francesco Golan.
Okay, hola! I'm Elijah. I love landscape photography. I drink cappuccino and meatballs with pasta.
I feel like we just arrived yesterday. The week went by so fast I can't compute what just happened. I think it's going to take a few days or weeks to fully realize what we lived on the island. The nights were short and everybody was working hard, but fatigue was an easy price to pay for the amazingness of the experience. We were surrounded by many creative people, different in so many ways from each other, but all sharing a common passion. We were there to teach, but we learned a lot. For a week, we all fed on excitement, fun, nature, inspiration, and good company. It basically felt like being in the coolest summer camp ever.
I'm uncomfortable.